Hello everyone and welcome back to the dimension. Friends, today we are going to explore how to create a new template in a Tekla structure. So friends, the template that we are going to use here, that will be shown like this. We will create the format like a serial number, assembly mark, assembly name, quantity, profile, unit area, and the total area along with a unit weight and total weight, and all this weight will be calculated in the bottom of this row you can see here. So let's move in. You can see here one structure model I already created here for this demonstration. If you want to cross check overall weight of this assembly, then simply just select all the model, go to the center of gravity, and here you can find the net weight and overall gross weight of this assembly, which is equal to near about 17.285 ton. And if we create the bill of material of this model, suppose I am selecting here the select part in component, then select overall assembly, then go to the report, and here I am creating one template which is T6 assembly list. Then you can see here all the bill of material are generated here and the overall weight are matched with the assembly model. So our template is correct. So today we are going to template. So just click on this three line and go to the editor. Here we will select the template editor. Then another window of template will be shown here, and go to the new template, select the textual template, then click OK. Here you can see another rectangle will be shown here. Just double click on the template and we can change the size of this template. So now for the width, suppose I am selecting 160, and height I am taking the 4000, and overall view height, suppose I select 12. So this is our overall area where we need to work. Just click on the insert and go to the component and select header. Then again insert component and select the row. Here we need to select the assembly, then click OK. Now again go to the insert component and footer. So three different rectangles will be created here. You can also change the property of this header, assembly and footer. In the header we will define all the overall parameter. As you can see here, this all parameter will come in header, and the value field, you can say the formula of this, parameter we will put in our assembly rectangle, and the last one will come in the footer. So let's start. First we need to go to the insert and select the text. Here we will type here the serial number, then click OK and put the serial number here. Then again go to the insert value field and select here the serial number, or you can say row in pages, then click OK. Double click on this row and go to the formula. You can check the formula is whether it's correct or having some problem. So you can see here the formula is correct. Click OK. Here apply. You can also change the text color so you can easily identify the value field. Again, go to the text. Here we will take the assembly mark. Just put here. Now again go to value field and put it just below the assembly mark. Now next we will define the assembly name here. Now again go to the value field and select the name of assembly. Instead of taking too much space, you can also change it. Now again go to the text, and next one is the quantity or profile. It's a quantity. Go to the value field and put it here. Here we need to select the quantity or number of object. So select the number of object. That in main part. Again go to text and define the profile. Select the profile here. It may be in the main part, so just find out the profile. So this one is our profile. Select this profile. I forget to change the color of this text. So set the default value. Now next one we will select the area, or you can say the unit area, that will be in meter square. You can also put the meter square here. next one is your total area. Now go to value field and select area. Here we will select the sum value of across all the row. Now again go to the insert and select weight of the assembly. Here we have some option like a gross weight, or you can go through the net weight. Suppose I am selecting the gross weight and double click on this gross weight and put the star, then get value, and put here number and close this bracket. Now again select the text and put here the total value, total weight, and go to the value field. Again select the gross weight of this assembly. Here you need to check in the sum value across all the row, and in the footer section we will put total and select the value field. Select any parameter and put it here, value field, put it here, value field of this total weight. Suppose I put 9, then apply it, then change this formula as a value field 9, so that it will retrieve all the data from this section. Now our template is almost ready. Just save it where you want it to save. You can choose the model folder also. Suppose I put the name T6 assembly list and put it here. Just go back to the interface of Tekla structure. Select the part in component, then select model. Go to the report and select here the T6 template that we already saved here. You can see all the report are generated here. So friends, making of a template as per your requirement is more easy in a Tekla structure. And friends, if you like this video, then please subscribe our channel and hit the like button. Thanks for watching, and